So I have heard nothing but good things about the Babyliss FX02 shaver, and it's finally made me cave and buy one. So I got a thorough review that I go through, and I just put this thing through the ringer the past few days, and I just want to give you guys my thoughts on it, and I'll give you my opinion on it at the end of the video. So let's go check it out. Today we got the battle of the best electric shavers in the business. I'm gonna put these things head to head. I got client reactions, I got other barbers contributing to it, and I've reached out and I've asked a lot of people, and I've used them myself now for a while, and I feel like I have used them enough to give you guys an honest opinion. I also did a customer survey. I asked a bunch of people, and I went behind them, and you'll see. Anyways, we'll get to that. You'll see. There's a lot of people on the internet right now that are saying that they like this shaver. I suspect that it's possible. People are being paid probably to say this. I'm not sponsored by anybody, okay? So I can say what I want about any product, and I always want to bring you guys the truth, even in the event that someday I do get sponsored. This shaver, there's some things, I like the weight. You know, some people talk about the weight, that it feels of good quality. Obviously, I like the cap. I like the fact that it's not going to break if I throw it in my bag. I really don't run around with, I don't have a need to run around with this. And this is not the first one that has a case. The Braun Series 9 comes with a fantastic case. I love that case. And I do use it, and I keep it in there all the time when I'm not using it, because I don't want to damage that foil, because it's $50 or more to replace that foil. Which, by the way, some people who are out here doing these comparisons, I want you guys to know, this was brand new. The blade that I have on my Braun Series 9 was also brand new. And the blade that I have on my Wall Finale, also brand new. So I just want to say that I started this off with a level playing field, and all the people that you see me ask which one they liked more, that's the case. What the client feels and what I feel, when I put this thing on my face, it feels very rough. You did the majority of my cut with the Babyliss. What'd you think?
Honestly, it was really good. I think it's really good.
Pretty fast.
When I first started cutting, it was very, very smooth, but the more I got into the cut, it felt like it was dragging a little bit. I'm not gonna lie.
Number one. Versus machine number 2. Okay. Out of those two, which one was smoother? 2. Okay. Now machine number 3. Which one you think felt better? 2. And the Braun Series 9 wins again. You tell me which one is smoother. That's 3. Which one?
Said 2.
Number 2. Winner.
Right here.
Okay.
Is that the new one?
I don't know. All right, now number 3.
Number 3 feels a little like number 1. I don't know. I can't tell the difference right now. It's kind of lost. The number 2 feels like it's quieter.
Which one feels smoother?
I think number 2. Yeah.
Number 2.
I think so.
Number 2. Winner. It does cut close, I'll give him that. It feels like it cuts real close, but it cuts real rough. Or I mean, this is like really thick right here.
Cardinals hired Cliff Kingsbury, the head coach. Yeah. Where's he from?
USC?
Yeah.
They said
Those papers to try and later be able to
Listen to all that. Jesus, that's rough on my chin.
Really?
It is.
Huh.
And I really can't justify why it's so rough on my face, because there was a couple people where it didn't feel rough on. But I can't move very fast with this machine either. I was going up the sides of people's heads, pushing about as fast as I'm used to with my Braun. And I'm getting a lot of drag here. Or I have to push a little bit too hard and I know I'm causing discomfort. A lot of clients are not going to tell you that you're causing them discomfort. All right, real quick, I just want to do a shout out to some of you guys who've been donating to the channel. Yo, you rock. You really make a difference, and the next giveaway is on the way. So I just want to real quick run down this list. Jamal, man, thank you so much. I'm not going to put the whole name out there. I don't want to put anybody on blast who don't want to be. But Logan, man, that was just awesome of you, dude. I really appreciate that. William, thank you, man. Thank you so much. And Harry and Jackie and Andrew, man, you guys have all donated to the channel, and it really helps a lot. You know, like I said, a lot of this stuff is super expensive, and honestly, thank you guys, and God bless you from the bottom of my heart, really. Okay, so I was actually thinking about giving these away when I first bought them, but I can't do that to you because I can't recommend these. I've never really been happy with anything I've ever got from Babyliss, and this is no exception. Except their blow dryers, I got to give them credit where credit is due. The blow dryers are pretty good. But everything they've done so far in the barbering world has been unimpressive, expensive, and just all around not worth it. So these are a no-go for me. They won't be in my case, and I won't be giving these away. I'm going to bring these back to the store, and with that money, I'm going to get something different and give it away. Why don't you guys leave me a comment down below? What do you think the next thing I should give away is? And maybe that's what it will be. Also, going forward on this just a little bit further, I found them just incredibly rough. They're pretty good on some people's scalps, but on the whole, with some hair, it cut pretty well, but they definitely didn't seem to have the power of any of my other units. And if I was you guys and I was thinking about buying an electric shaver, go and get yourself the Braun Series 9. Honestly, I know it's expensive, but save your money because you're only going to have to buy that machine one time. And when anything else goes wrong, you can always buy a new foil for it, and it's just going to be a great machine going forward. Those things are built to last. I'm telling you, they're a German company. I'm not affiliated with them. I'm not sponsored or anything like that. But if you want a machine that outperforms everything else, the Braun Series 9 is still not to be beat, and definitely not to be beat by the likes of this. Again, don't kill me. It's just my opinion. This is just how I feel about it. But I did seek outside advice. You've seen the clients. You've seen some other barbers using it. And let me know what you guys think in the comments. And I know that a lot of people who are subscribed to this channel, you guys are, up in the cold area, battling that winter. And I just want to let you guys know that I feel your pain. It's very cold here down in Naples, Florida. So you just so you know, it ain't all sunshine. And, well, wait a minute. It is sunny. I can't say it ain't sunny, but it ain't all sunshine and lollipops here. It got down to like 60. So.
Daddy, how do you write your name?
What?
How do you write your name? How do you write your name?
E-D.
E-D.
W-A-R-D.
Your dad.
Yeah, but my name is Edward.
Not Edward. I'm talking about Dad.
Oh, well, D-A-D.
D-A-D. Okay.
Alright, you guys, thanks for watching. Thanks for listening. I'll see you in my next video. Hope this helps save you some money. I'll see you guys.